Farmer, you mind if me get a little video of the, how you make it cotton candy? I haven't seen one of this in years.
The camera, right?
Yes, sir.
You can see by your phone. How much is that?
Well, they're on Amazon, them varies based on the type. Wow.
So you get them?
Buy it online.
Expensive?
Yeah, this one, but you have cheaper ones. Oh yes, blessed, respect, blessed and big up, you don't know. Right about now, welcome to another episode of Jamaica Walk By. We're currently in Kingston. Yeah, and I'm standing right at the front of Devon House. Alright? And as you can see where the camera is pointing is the Nigerian Head Commission. Alright, now the Nigerian High Commission. Let me correct myself, right? So you don't know a Jamaica Walk By, and whatever we say, I just that it. You have to just correct yourself and go on. All real, all natural. We not cut out and we not edit out nothing. See? So we're right in front of Devon House, and today we're gonna give you a full tour, extensive tour of Devon House. It's actually a Sunday, so you know, family time and kids come out, family come out and ready for showcase them new clothes, new shoes and thing, and eat some nice Devon House ice cream or the famous mother's patty, which is, you don't know, the curry patty and thing. So I'm gonna give you an all exclusive natural tour of Devon House in Kingston, Jamaica. You understand? You can just say and well, just say Hope Road. Alright? Yeah man, so let's do this. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Alright, so from you start watch this now, all me ask if you do is drop a like. Yeah man, drop a like right now. Me I wait. Yeah man, see it there. Respect from me actually did it. You get me? So big up every time. Stay tuned, watch the video and see what go on. Over here is actually closed because of COVID, so you will see that this section is empty and they're not allowing anyone to go by this section. So yeah man, take a look.
pay them pay going to.
Yeah, $700. Farmer, you mind if me get a little video of the, how you make it cotton candy? I haven't seen one of this in years.
Just camera that.
Yes, sir.
I can see by your phone. How much is that?
Well, they're on Amazon, them varies based on the type. Wow.
So you get them.
Buy it online.
Expensive?
Yeah, this one, but you have cheaper ones. How great was that?
Hold on.
I must say, your own business you do, like, you know, if you want person to like contact you, if they have an event or if they want you to come and do it, you do it like that?
I don't know something, you know.
I just never know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fully understand.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
Yeah.
How is it?
Stop video.
Alright. Is it nice? Great.
Let me see if you check
It's all about a fun day in Devon House, you know, associated with few persons here. One black. But yeah man, you can check out the channel Jamaica Walk By.
Stop saying him now. Sure.
How angel is? Oh, it's a princess and an angel.
Actually, I'm trying to go to Chicago.
The other side lock off. Why? This side is just dining. Oh, the bar can just go in and drink. Okay. line this. Let's see how far. Let's see how far.
Right, come here, right, come here.
Little gate, Eric. Little gate, walk through gate. May I fall back through it, yeah? So yeah man, big up every time. See? this has been another episode of Jamaica Walk By, and right about now, I just want to say thank you to everyone who stay and watch this. I want to say thank you to everybody who sit and watch this, stand, watch it. You don't know, watch it to the end. So big up every time. This has been Devon House, a tour of Devon House. We're sorry that we couldn't get all of Devon House because based on COVID protocols, they actually have to close one of the sides, so nobody have access to over there. So yeah man, hope you all enjoy it, but Devon House still is in 100% running, you understand. Devon House will be closed 9 p.m. you know, and today is a Sunday, so you have a lot of time to come out and enjoy yourself with your family, get some ice cream and you name it. So yeah man, big up every time. Thanks again for watching. I'm just gonna walk back through the play area and close the video. So if you want to stay tuned and continue watching, that would be great. So yeah man, a lot of persons here, so just enjoy it and I'll be closing. So remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe if you're not yet done so. See? And remember, there's also a link to donate in the description if you feel the need to donate anything at all you want to donate. Alright? So yeah man. Good, big up on yourself, you know.